Jagdish. I welcome you all to class 3rd Social Science. In this session, you are going to learn about the chapter 6, that is the clothes we wear. Okay, children. So here in this lesson, you will be learning about why do we wear clothes, then different types of clothes worn in India. In our country, we wear different types of clothes in all the places, isn't it? So different types of clothes worn in India. Okay, then how cloth is made. These are the things which you are going to learn in this chapter. So let's see, why do we wear clothes? Children, our clothes cover our body and give us protection. Okay, then clothes cover our body and give us protection. For that reason we wear clothes. Then people wear different kinds of clothes according to their age, gender, fashion, then season, whether it is rainy season, winter season, summer season. According to that we will wear the clothes, isn't it? In every season we wear different types of clothes. See, in summer we wear cotton clothes. Then in winter we wear sweaters, mufflers, isn't it? Then in the rainy season it will be raining, so we wear raincoats and all. So it depends on the season, what type of season it is. According to that also we will wear the clothes. Then occasion. Occasion means what? Whether we are attending function, party or any traditional function, that according to that occasion we will wear the clothes. It may be our festival, isn't it? So we wear according to the occasion and the region where they come from. See here, if you go to Jammu and Kashmir, there it is very cold, isn't it? So there people wear different type of clothes. Then if you go to south, here it is little bit hard. Here in south side of India we wear cotton clothes. When you go to Gujarat, there also it is hot, isn't it? They also wear cotton clothes. When you go to Arunachal Pradesh, that is the different place. So according to that region, means place where they are living, according to that and according to their tradition, they wear different type of clothes. And in a different style also we wear the clothes, isn't it? The same saree is worn in different styles. If you go to Tamil Nadu, they wear different. Then in Maharashtra, the same saree is worn in a different style, isn't it? If you go to Gujarat, there the saree is same and the style of wearing is different, isn't it? According to the place where they come from, it depends on that and on the fashion also. According to the fashion also we wear the different types of clothes. Nowadays western clothing is in fashion, isn't it? We like to wear western clothes and we wear traditional clothes during the festivals, isn't it? So according to that we wear different kinds of clothes. Then people will like to wear comfortable loose clothes. Means we feel comfortable when we wear loose clothes, isn't it? It will be little bit airy and we feel comfortable. We also wear nylon and silk clothes. These are the different material: cotton, woolen, silk, nylon, rayon. These are the material type of which material we are wearing the cloth. And the tailor stitches the clothes in different designs and styles, isn't it? We give our clothes to tailor to stitch. Nowadays we are getting ready-made also, but they are in different designs and different styles. Okay, children. So this is how we like to wear the clothes. Now let's see about the different types of clothes worn in India. In India, according to the gender also we wear clothes. Gender means what? Whether the person wearing is male or female, boy, girl, man, woman, it differs, isn't it? Girls will be having frocks, boys will be having jeans, pant, t-shirts, isn't it? So according to the gender we wear the clothes. Here women wear sari. This is the common style, common cloth which is worn by women in India, isn't it? A sari is the traditional dress of Indian women. When you go outside India, if you are wearing sari only, if the woman is wearing sari, she is identified as a Indian woman. Why? This style itself shows which country you belongs, isn't it? So this is the called as traditional dress of India. What? Sari for women. For men it's different, isn't it? It is wrapped or draped in different ways in different states. When you go to Maharashtra, there the style of wearing sari is different. When you go to Gujarat, there the style of wearing sari is different, isn't it? So it is wrapped and draped in different ways. Different style people wear the sari. Okay. Then you may find it in cotton, silk, synthetic, isn't it? So there are different kinds of cloth which you find this sari. It may be plain or it may be design, and embroidery work will be there, and you find it fashionable. You find designs on that, flower design, animals design. Nowadays there are different art which you find on the sari. Okay, silk and golden threads will be there on that sari also, and it according to that only people wear. Not only in India, in other countries like Nepal, Bangladesh, Malaysia, Sri Lanka and Burma, they also wear sari. Okay, this was all about sari, children. As I said, here in India, ladies like to wear shalwar kameez also, and they along with that they wear dupatta. Dupatta is also a unstitched cloth which is worn on shalwar kameez or gagra choli. It is also called as chunni or odni. The dupatta may be plain or decorated with embroidery or mirror work. You may find it in different designs also. This is also worn by Indian women, even girls, and you find it for small girls also. This dupatta is very common in India. Okay. So in this session you learnt about what all clothes worn by women in India, isn't it? Sari, dupatta you have learned. In the next session I will be teaching you about what the men wear. Dhoti, lungi, turban, what are these types of clothes and how the cloth is made. Okay. Why do we wear clothes, children? We wear clothes to protect ourselves, isn't it? To cover our body and to get the protection. And there are different types of clothes and different materials are also available. Different materials are cotton, woolen, silk, nylon, rayon. These are the different materials of clothes. Then what are the different types of clothes you learnt in this session? About sari and about dupatta, isn't it? So in next session we'll meet. Till then, take care. Thank you.